English tip by tip.
Most common irregular verbs. Infinitive, simple past, past participle, be, was, were, been, become, became, become, begin, began, begun, bring, brought, brought, buy, bought, bought, come, came, come, choose, chose, chosen, do, does, did, done, drink, drank, drunk, drive, drove, driven, eat, eaten, fall, fell, fallen, feel, felt, felt, found, 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 fly, flew, flown, forget, forgot, forgotten, get, got, gotten, give, gave, given, go, goes, went, gone, grow, grew, grown, have, had, hear, heard, heard, keep, kept, kept, know, knew, known, leave, left, left, lend, lent, lent, let, lose, lost, lost, make, made, made, mean, meant, meant, meet, met, met, stand, stood, stood, pay, paid, paid, put, read, 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 ring, rang, rung, run, ran, run, say, said, said, see, saw, seen, sell, sold, sold, send, sent, sent, shine, shone, shown, sing, sang, sung, sit, sat, sat, sleep, slept, slept, speak, spoke, spoken, swim, swam, swum, take, took, taken, teach, taught, taught, tell, told, told, think, thought, thought, understand, understood, understood, wear, were, worm, write, wrote, written. Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.